Okay guys, recently I've been experimenting with different candle heaters. I made one out of kitchen utensils. This one is made out of heat bricks. Heat brick at the bottom, a metal bread basket in the middle full of candles, a heat brick at the top. These are emergency heaters in case there is a loss of power. I live in a camper van. I've got power stations, I've got heaters, but this is a lot more cosy. Make sure you've got ventilation, a carbon monoxide detector and a fire extinguisher if you do anything like this. It's surrounded by fireproof reflective material. It really does get very hot. Great heater, but my question is, will it run a convection fan? That is a fan that doesn't take batteries, it isn't run off electricity, but runs off the heat given off from an object. And further still, does it get hot enough to boil the water in a camping kettle, which will fit neatly on the top of this stove. So we'll be trying that guys in a later video. I'll let you know the results. But the great thing about this candle heater, it gets very hot very quick. That heat brick really does get too hot to touch, so you don't have to burn these candles for long. You can blow them out and the heat brick really does radiate that heat for a long time. Absolutely great for emergencies in your home, your garage, shed, camper van. I'll be using this in my van, but always remember to ventilate an area, have a carbon monoxide detector and a fire extinguisher when using anything like this.